Hi, I just wanted to introduce myself and tell you about an upcoming program that I have. My name is Dr. Laura Foster, and I have a program called A.L.I.G.N, which is a one-day full immersion program designed for women to help them connect into their deep truths and their soul messages. So this day is all about creating clarity for you to be able for you to have not only hear my personal story, but to have some connections as to how to hear what your soul is trying to tell you and feel like you have a connection to the messages that are within you already. And for those people who feel like they're having a connection, how is it that you use these messages to step into the bigness of who you are? And how do you manage roadblocks? And what do you do when you feel off track? And what do you do with the fear that you have? And for those people who are like, I have no clue how to even, I don't even know what you're talking about right now. What do you mean my soul's talking to me? Honestly, this workshop would be fantastic for you because the truth is your soul is always talking to you. It is always trying to lead you in the path, in the way, in the alignment with what's important for you and your soul. So I understand that. I start the day by telling my personal story as to where I got to the place where I am now and the truths that I learn about my soul and how I continue to connect with my soul on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, and so on. So if this in any way interests you, if you want more clarity, if you ever wonder, I might have a great life, but is this it? Is this all there is? Or you know that there's just something waiting for you. Or maybe what you've designed doesn't feel like it represents who you really are. I understand that too. So this is for you, and I am hosting the next workshop right here in Newmarket at the Old Town Hall on Botsford. It will be Sunday, February 24th. This is what the day is going to look like. We are going to move our bodies. We are going to start the day with a beautiful, gentle flow with my friend Yogi David Good, who I team up with to do my soul-inspired retreats. The rest of the day is all about you. I am going to tell my personal story and I'm going to lead you through the program. We are going to have fun. This is open to 30 people. And along the course of the day, I'm going to nourish you to the utmost. We have delicious, delicious organic food and all the trimmings. So all you need to do is show up. The program starts at 9 a.m. and ends at 5 p.m. If you're interested or you want to hear more, please go to drlaurafoster.com/align and you will get all the details. If you're interested, please do not wait to sign up. This program sold out in 2 weeks last time and it will sell out again. I can't wait to have you there. If you're interested or you have more questions, visit the website and reach out to me and you and I will connect. All right, have a great day.